children. How are you? I think you all are fine. Today we are going to learn something new. Okay, I'll ask the questions and you have to answer it to your parents. So your questions are, what is your name? Tell the name to your parents. Are you a boy or girl? Who all are there in your family? Which place do you like to visit? Which is your favorite animal? What do you like to eat? What is your favorite toy? Do you write with a pen or pencil? So children, these questions I have asked you. Now you tell the answers to your parents. Now see, what is your name means you are telling your name. Yes or no? Who are you? Those who are girls, they will say girl. Those who are boys, they will say boy. Who all are there in your family? Now normally in your family you have your mother, father, my brother, sister, your grandparents. Isn't it or not? Which place do you like to visit? Some of you will say Uran. Some of you will say I like to go to Panvel. Some of you will say I like to go to visit zoo. Some or like that you will give answers. Those all answers you tell it to your parents. Which is your favorite animal? Now tell me which is your favorite animal. Maybe cat, dog, giraffe, lion, whichever animal is your favorite, you have to tell the name of that animal to your parents. What do you like to eat? Now see, some of you will say I like to eat vada pav. Some of you will say I like to have bhakri and fish. Some of you will say I like to have vegetables and chapati. Yes or no children? Now tell me which is your favorite toys. At home you have so many toys. It may be a car, toy car, or it may be a teddy bear. All these are, you can answer from this any one. Okay children. Now, how do you write with a pen or pencil? You are a second standard children. Second standard children write with a pencil. Yes or no? Now what have you learned? Your name, whether you are a girl or a boy. How many people are there in your family? With whom you are living? Which place do you like to visit? All these, the place, your name. Now suppose somebody asks me what is your name. What I will say my name is Suman. So this word Suman is a noun. Whether you are a boy or girl, I will say what? I am a woman. But you are a children. The children should say, those who are girls, they should say girl. Those who are boys, they should say boy. Okay. Who all are there in your family? You will say my mummy, my papa, my sister, brother, uncle, grandparents. Yes or no children? These all are your family members that you should say. Which place do you like to visit? Now some of you will say I like to visit in Uran. Some of you will say I like to visit at a zoo. Some of you will say I like to visit at a beach. Some of you will say I like to go to the garden. So these all words, the words such as your name, the words such as your girl or boy, the word your family members like mummy, papa, that is grandparents, brother, sister, the word which tells you the name, that is called as a noun. So what we are going to learn through this today's language study, the noun. What is noun? Now what is noun children? Noun means the word which tells us the name of a person. Person means human being. You people, mummy, papa, your grandmother, grandfather, all this comes in a person. The place. Place means the place where you are staying. The place which you like to visit. The name of the animals. The name of the animals means any animal's name you can add to that, or the things. Now, in the things what will come? Your toys, your things in the house, your pencil, your eraser, all this comes in the things. So what is noun? A noun, the word which tells us the name of a person, place, animal or things is called a noun, or it is also called as a naming words. Now naming words are called noun. Is it clear to you? What is noun? Noun means when the thing, whether it is the name of a person, whether it is a name of a place, or whether it is a name of an animal, or it is a name of a thing, that is called as a noun. That is, naming word is called as a noun. This much is clear to you all. Now I have given you some examples also. For example, in noun what will come? Name, Rahul, Rani. Now Rahul and Rani are the name of a person. Cat, dog are the name of a animal. Uran, Panvel are the name of a place. And bat, pen, pencil are the name of a things. This much is clear to everybody. Did you understand what it is? Anyhow, I will send all these things in notes also with explanation. Now go to your page number. Okay. Now we have, go to your page number 10. I think you have textbook. Just open and see. I'll give an idea what you have to do. In your page number 10, it's an activity. It is a game played by children. But you all are not there with me, so we cannot play game now. But after coming to school, we can play the game. We'll play this game in the class also. So what you have to do is, you have to write down the names of a person, name of a place, and name of a animals, and name of the things. Now here, for example, they have given one. Amit, Pune, cat and ball. Same way you have to add more. You can add more. You can write here Rahul, Uran, bat, dog, bat. So like that you have to go on adding the name of the person's name, place name, animal's name and thing's name. Okay. Now next page, go to page number 11. Now on 11 page number, one small paragraph is given. Some children, picture is also given. What the children are doing? The children are planting a tree. So let us see what is given in this. What we have to do? We are going to read this, and you have to underline the names of a people, place, things, fruits, etc. Okay, fruits also comes in a noun only. Flowers also comes in a noun only. Okay, so let us read I am reading for you, and you have to search, and naming word you have to search and just underline with the pencil. So let me read. Just put your finger over there. Today is Raju's birthday. So now come on, tell me what is noun over here? Raju. He is getting ready for the school. Which is noun? What is the noun over here? School. Underline it. His mother gave him a mango plant in a pot. What is noun over here? Underline, children. Mother, mango, a pot. All his friends wish Raju in the school. So everybody, his friends wished him in the school. So what will be the noun over here? Friends and school. They sing happy birthday song. Isn't it or not? If anyone's birthday is there in the class, even we are wishing that person happy birthday or not. So underline happy birthday with their teacher. Underline teacher. Teacher is also noun. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard. Backyard means at the back side of the school. So there you underline the backyard also. And plants there. Mango. Underline the mango. Also plant there. Everybody claps for him. So what you all are going to do, children, I would request you all that when you are celebrating your birthday, instead of you all are enjoying or eating chocolate, cake and all, you do one thing, get one small plant of any your favorite fruit, flower or anything which you like, and plant it in nearby your house as to remember your birthday. Is it clear to everybody? Notes I'll give tomorrow.